This is Alan Farley from FX Empire. IBM reports earnings after Tuesday's closing bell. Stock topped out all the way back in 2013 above 200, entered this just brutal downtrend that's tracked this 8-year descending trend line. The trend line has gotten a little sloppy over the years, but it's still very well defined. Now, the monthly has turned into a sell cycle here, which is kind of bad for price action into the summertime, but we're really just right between the extremes of the pandemic decline. Here was March, or really the end of February 2020, and here's March 2020. As you can see, we're still sitting sort of in the middle of this thing after months and months of price action. The 50 and 200 month moving averages are both deadlined here, which is indecision, but indecision is not a very good thing when it comes to stocks. I'm moving in much closer. You can see that a stock has tested that resistance level here in June and here in October, once again here in January, again here in February, and again it's sitting right here at in the daily here 50 and 200 day moving averages. Now the spinoff with Kindle occurred on the 4th of November, so right here's the spinoff. The stock traded about the 120 level, and it's up to about the 126 level, so about 6 points or 5%. Even if you're looking at it, if you come up here the day before the day before the spinoff, the gain is even smaller, just at less than 2 points, so almost zero return. There was a little bit of excitement after the spinoff. You can see this is the spinoff rally, and that quickly died. And now ratings are very, very low for the stock heading into the report. That's probably the good thing because expectations are so low that we could get any sort of upside surprise, and higher guidance really could do a deed and get us up into the 130s very quickly. Let's take a look at that last time frame, which is the weekly, and this weekly sort of says that it's going to be hard for the IBM to do much of anything. So we have now the weekly and the monthly pointed sort of lower, which is a sign of gravity. So again, I think expectations are so low we could get a pop. And if the company did anything that no one expects, like make more money and raise guidance, this is what was expected after the Kindle Holdings spinoff, but it's yet to be seen in day-to-day action.